Almost everyone on the planet makes money one of these four ways. Many variations, but fundamentally four ways. Number one, you can make money by working. You can make money by what? Working. You can make money by working, either as an employee or working for yourself. Self-employed. You're trading your time for money. This is even true for high-income earner like a doctor, a lawyer. You're essentially working, make money by working. And as a worker, there are only two ways to increase the amount of money you make. You either by working more hours or you develop new skills. Right? You're becoming more valuable, right? Remember Joe's example? Go back to school, get more education, right? Now they can manage the people who manage the machines. You could do that. The second way you can make money is by selling. What is it? You can make money by selling things. Of course, that's what we do. As a closer, as a copywriter, could be as a digital marketer. As a closer, the money you make does not depend so much on the time you put into it. Because could you put a lot of time on the phone and not make anything? Yes? There's nothing to do with time. Now, could you be making $2,000, $3,000 in 30 minutes? Yes or no? It's not determined by your time that you put into it. What counts are three things. How many things? How good you are at closing, the size of your commission, and the price of the things that you sell. Making money by selling, how good you are at closing, the size of your commission, the price of the things that you sell. This is why to generate significant income as a closer, we focus on what? High ticket. We focus on what? Because we know we can get to a significant income with fewer transactions. That's why the blue ocean, that's where that comes in. Because I see once you get the understanding, like the why behind certain decisions. Number three, you can make money by owning things. By what? By owning assets. If you own an income producing assets, like maybe rental real estate, you can make income, make money from your rental income. If you own and run an active business, you know how to lead, how to build a team, you can make money through its profits. Because the money you generate from a business is not called income, it's called what? Profit. Profit and loss statement, right? You can make money by lending. What is it? You can make money by not working harder or even acquiring high income skills, or even with profits or salary, you can make money on the money you lend, on the interest you charge for that money. Now we're talking about banks, private equity, venture capital, angel investors. There are many variations of the four, but basically those are the four. Pretty much the four. So what does that mean to you? It means this. The most efficient way and most effective way to build wealth, and this is especially true if you're starting from zero, is this. You got to move from worker to being a closer, a salesperson, to owner, and eventually, once you make enough money, to being a lender. Kind of operating like your own bank. You're making money on the money. That's really it. Creating wealth is not that complicated.